That's how to use the drag and drop. Okay, I picked a page template and I added a background image to it. Okay, so now I deleted all of the template stuff and I just left the headline here. So now let's say you want to add more stuff to it. Okay, you want to add text. There's all these different types of text. All you do is hold your mouse down, drag it, drop it where you want. If you want to add a picture, I can drag it and drag that where I want. Of course, I could edit that and actually edit the picture there. That'll be in another video. I'm just going to reduce the size of this so you can see it. And then if I want to add a video, I could just drag a video and just drop it on the page and do that where I can edit that. I'm just going to delete some of this stuff just so we have some room here. If I want to have a form, capture page form, I just drag and drop it, then I can edit that. Of course, we have videos on how to use all these separate tools. And then if I want to have social networks, I can drag and drop that as well. And so wherever that dark bar is where it's going to end up being dropped. So you hold your mouse, you just drag it over and drop it. Again, here's a trick for you. If you can't, when the page is full size, sometimes it's hard to see where it's being dragged and dropped. Up in your browser, there's going to be 3 little dots, and you'll have maybe something that says zoom, and then you can zoom it to 100% or zoom out, and sometimes that helps you see what you're dragging and dropping on your page. It's just change the view of your browser, and that can help. But that's how you drag and drop. So simple. Grab it with your mouse, hold your right or left mouse button down, let go when you find the spot for it, and then you can just edit it. So on the side here it has edit, well, style, edit, and delete. So if I drag something, I say, don't want that there, just hit delete. It asks you first before it just deletes it for good. And that's how you do it.